Hey guys, how you doing? My name is William, and today we're talking about Leads Leap. It's a sorry guys, I just exchange. I draw a complete blank. Let's go ahead and let's log in real quick. Okay, here's the dashboard. The way this works is you can post ads for free. The way you get your ads up, you have to earn them by watching ads. So we come over here, it'll open up, and every 5 seconds, it'll reward you a click. Now watch, 52 plus 1, 10.8 credits. Now, if you want to look at the site, you can enter your email address, your name, send me the video. So these actually are ads you can interact with. So we have show me more links. Now, real quick, guys, see this here where it says for bot detection, do not click. You click that 3 times in a row, or 3 times, I believe, in a day or something like that. They'll block you from their site permanently because they're saying you're a bot. So we just click on need traffic and sales. Right here, 53 clicks and plus 1. So now it's 54. Now watch this, 11.06. When I hit show more links, now when I click on one, watch the credit, 11.26. It went up. 5 seconds later, today's clicks, 54 plus 1. If you want to look at the site, you can. This has a video attached to it. Okay, so we show more in category. But let's go back over here to the Leads Leap area and let's post an ad. Okay, I have 12.2 credits. What that means is these 12 credits means my ad will be seen at least 12 times. Okay, so let's put a URL in first. Let's go grab our where lead capture pages. Now, let's grab this one here. We just copy it, go back over to Leads Leap, put the URL in. There we go. Add a catchy title. Okay, build your, geez, I can't type for nothing. Build your email list, and I'm over by 1. All right, let's see here. We need a catchy title for this. Max is 25 characters, so let's see, list building system. All right, list building system. How about we go great? So let's back that. Here we go. Let's see if I have enough room. Great list building system. No, I don't. So we'll go back to list building system. Then you want to add some text to it. So right here we're going to add, hang on a minute, guys. Someone's at my door. Hang on. Sorry, guys, about that. All right, so let's go with get paid $10 instantly. I spell that right? No. Oh, dang it. Get paid $10 instantly to your, what happened there? I'm sorry, guys, to your bank. All right, then you want to add an image. So we click here, upload an image, find the image that you want to do. I want to use, that's the only one I really have right now. But there we go. All right, and now if you see this box here, the black line around it, if this, you gotta make sure it fits in there. So if it doesn't, let me show you here. Now you see how it's not in that, how the click here is below the box. So sometimes your picture will be bigger. So you have to shrink it down. And make sure you do this so that it fits inside that box. Once you're done with that, and I think it has to be 300 by 250 on the size. Go ahead and click that. Now we're done. Now, category that best fits your ad. We want list building. There we go. All right. And when we hit, make sure everything's here. List building system. Let's see. Viral. Nope. All right. List building system. All right. Let's go ahead and save and submit. Error. Add text is too short. Minimum 40 characters. Okay. Hang on. Get paid $10 instantly to your bank account. Let's see. I don't think that's gonna work. No. Yeah, it did. Your ad has been submitted. Please click the preview link to check that it works. Okay, so come down here where it says preview saved ad. So this is what your ad will look like. Okay, it'll come up. Here's the landing page where they'll enter their email address, and then when they click that, we'll send them the details. Here's the picture I put in. List building system, get paid $10 instantly to your bank account. All right. So now we go back to here. So that's done, guys. And like I said, you get 12.2 credits right now. That'll do me for 12 views. So I'm gonna go ahead and watch some more videos later, guys. Sorry, some more videos later, and get some more credits. But now I'm not too good at making videos, guys. Not yet. I've been a lot worse. I'm getting better. I'm very new at this, so you have to excuse me on how I do it. But I will get better as I make more videos. All right, guys, I appreciate it if you would like my video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what you thought of my video. All right, guys, talk to you later. Bye.